Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you to everyone who has participated this day. Either you have been an attendee, a panelist, an exhibitor, or our sponsor, Retrophin. Today has been an amazing day. It started out with us hearing from the head of IT and FYMCA. Very moving, compelling video and comments on some of the challenges that they're facing and just reaching the rare disease community in the world and some of the barriers. We followed that up immediately with a Rare Dads panel. And I got to tell you, it was one of the most emotional panels that I've ever participated in. The comments, the feedback, I want to say thank you to those Rare Dads who shared, who opened up, who expressed, and who said, we want to do more, and we are going to do more. And starting this next week, we're going to have a Rare Dad Council that's going to start off. And if you want to be a part of that, you reach out to us. You reach out to us, and you can be. Because dads, we're a little different than others. We hide our emotions. But I tell you what, we did a good job of expressing that on the panel. And I want to thank you guys for what you did. We heard from Dr. Sam, from the founder out there, Rare Disease Ghana, talking about some of the mental health issues that is being plagued there. We heard from Rare New England again today. Got to see another episode. They'll be on the ticket for tomorrow, again in that same time slot over the noon hour. Join in and watch some of the screenings. I want to give a big shout out to my fellow panel members and Sean Gordon, who moderated an amazing rare tech session with that. We talked about the inclusiveness and how that we're going to own our data, but how that there is a time and a place for it, and how we have to look at what we're doing. We have to look at what that end user is doing. And it was an amazing talk with it. We heard from Jose Bastos, who is from Knock Health, the CEO there, and talking about telehealth. And during this time of COVID, it has been an amazing thing. He is based out of in Portugal, and what they have done in some of the other areas, and being able to cross boundaries and barriers and country lines with it. We also heard from had some fun with a dance party and a sibling chat. And I wanted to take an opportunity tonight and just thank everyone for it. Now, tomorrow, the last day of Rare Fair, we're going to have some new stuff that we have never done before. We're going to have some mini conferences that are going to be taking place in a rare resource room that hasn't even been posted. Hey, nobody has even seen it yet. Look for it tomorrow in the lobby. There's going to be hosted there where there are many sessions taking place where if you're an organization, a nonprofit organization is trying to look to get off your feet or look for some help, give you a 2-hour Zoom chat session where you can showcase what your organization is doing. We have something special happening tomorrow as well. At 7:45, we're going to kick off the day with a concert performance by Tintin Zimbabwe. We had him on the docket for day one, and there were technical issues, but those have been resolved. But as much as important as that is, Tintin is also going to do a second one at 6:15 tomorrow evening. We are so excited about this. Please join us. Please sit in on it. It's going to be an absolute amazing experience. This has been an amazing fair, and tomorrow is a big focus on media and how the media is going to be reaching. We're going to hear from people who have podcasts, who have some rare film festivals, and rare magazines that are reaching out and spreading the message about what's happening in the rare disease community. I want to thank each and every one of you. This fair, this conference is about you. It's about you, the individuals. And Eden and I want to express our gratitude and thanks to every single one of you and what you have done in participating and the input that you have put in or the sponsorship levels that you've done. You have a good evening. We will see you tomorrow morning. It's going to be a great day on the third day of the 2020 Rare Fair.